Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we sip the hottest tea and spill some secrets. So, as I had promised in my previous video that I will do a Mumuso haul, so I'm here. So, yeah, I had bought some, like few, like I think 4 or 5 items from Mumuso and 2 from Starbucks. So, now I'm gonna show you what I bought from it. So, let's get started. Okay, so firstly, I wanna say that मैं अभी अभी सो के उठी हूँ. It's actually 11:45 in the morning, and yeah, मैं अभी अभी सो के like I had सुबह उठी थी. Then I took a shower. I had my breakfast and all tea. Then again like fell asleep because मैं बहुत सुबह उठ गई थी 5:30 बजे आज. So suddenly मेरा नींद आ गया. So I said so. I may look like I'm in a very trance mood. हाँ, yes, hello, I'm doing, but I'm okay. I'm gonna get better of this. And also, it's raining outside. If you can see, yeah, it's raining. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I've bought, if you know me, you will get like you will know that I love a good organizers. Okay, may it be the organizer of a jewelry, like may it be organizer of some like clothes and all wardrobes. I love it. Okay, I have one. I have one jewelry, like like organizer from Miniso, but this I bought from Muso. Isn't it cute? It's like what like it has three separate like departments, like one, two, three, SS करके, excuse me, and ये सब like it's drawer types. You can hang it also in on the wall, and it's so cute. See, like like you can keep your jewelries, you can keep your like lip balms and all. It's very depth. It has got depth also. It's basically a jewelry box only. Yeah. I think I will use it for the general box, of course. So yeah, this is one thing. Next, okay, next I bought this. It's a cute. I mean, like मैं जब बचपन में I wasn't that much a fan of keychains, but Miniso Mumuso made me one. Here, of course, I don't have that much keys, but I have my house key, of course, and here I can keep my AirPods. Here, the AirPods I hang, and I can just take it with me like this. अब देखो उधर पे like store पे there was another keychain also. It's in pink also. There are many keychains. उधर पे pink color का भी keychain था which had bell on it. But I took this one because you can see this as panda floating. It's cute. The keychain. Next I have another organizer. Like this. I'm gonna organize my skincares in it. Again I have one skincare organizer from Miniso, but I couldn't help myself there. Like I got more like I want more organizers for my things. I got more items to keep and all. So yeah, this is my skincare organizer. It has so many departments, like long department and one, two, then smaller ones, one longer one and the longer one. Yeah, so helpful. Like nowadays at home, it's so helpful. Yeah, and I'm dying to like decorate the front table of my dressing table. Yeah. Next, I got eye mask with the gel in it. You can see the bubbles. So yeah, wait a minute. What is this? Oh my god, someone is calling me. Yeah, I'm back at it. Yeah. So this is the gel eye mask, and like you have to keep it in refrigerator 1 or 2 hours before using, and then just use it. Good to go. Like if you have, like headaches, or you woke up with a puffy eyes on all, then it is very good for you. Yeah. So I have another eye mask. It's of a panda, like it's a normal one, puffy ones. But I bought this one because of the, I often go through this puffy eyes and all when I woke up. So yeah, headaches also. Next, I got this. It's so useful. If you're a girl, you will know it. So useful. The nail filers. The previous traditional ones, the metal ones, is also good, but I prefer this one. It's very good. यही सब use करते हैं सब nail extensions पे and all. It's also good to like remove your next nail extensions or shape your nails, and it's really good. So I bought it. It has three in it, three nail filers together. Yeah. Then I got, of course, I'm a girl. I have to have a razor, right? The shaving razors. Two. I got it in a very good like range, so I bought it. It's a two. It's two for 349 MRP written. It's a 4 blade. Though some says that to use 5 blades is good, but of course you can go for 4 blades also. It works for me. So 4 blades. There were other also like 3 blades, then singular blade and all. Yeah. Now the Mumusa haul is over. Now the Starbucks. What I bought from the Starbucks? First this one, this notebook, this cutesy notebook. So the Starbucks written the binding and all. Yeah. And next, of course, with this, along with this, I bought this one. The stickers. There are 3 pallets of stickers. It's I think for 120. It was MRP is written. Yeah, yeah. It's 3 sheets are there, and this is the notebook. It's very cutesy. I love it. Like I haven't opened it, but yeah, I'll open it. So yeah, this was my Muso and my mini Starbucks haul, like whatever I bought from it. So if you're planning to go to Mumuso, I will suggest that you can invest in the organizers. I love the organizers. There are also a section of laundry organizers, and also other things like yeah, laundry mein hai, laundry is there. The people say that Mumuso and Mumuso is all always for like not needed wala very luxury cutesy stuff. No, there are some useful stuffs also like organizers, like zippers, of course. Like zippers, yeah, like many things there. So you can go and check it out. And Moose also have a great range of coffees. Like previous time when I was there, I had bought it in winter time in I think January February में मैं गई थी जब, then I had bought it, 3 cups or three this jars of coffees, and I loved them. Okay, so if you are going there, you can buy some Mumuso coffees also. It's like like register like ऐसे cash chamber के like जो cash में payment करते हैं, payment chamber के सामने ही रहता है एक coffee stack and all. It's good also, so you can check it out. So I'll see you in my next video. So still then, stay hydrated, stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and stay cute like me. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. And until then, bye. See you next time.